a quick one because this is a small house. Let's see. Okay, such a small house. So I'll show you the chicken in a few, but let's talk about the structure. So this is just also the same way as what we are doing with the goats. This is a structure that, and I hope that you can see me. Let me see. Okay, that's better. So this is also a structure that is very simple to construct. It's not expensive. It's something that you can also start with. Of course, you need your roof. You can see that we, instead of timber, us guys are using, wow, that's like good noise, are using the logs from the trees there, and then maybe the timber, and then it's just like a normal house with just a small height, because of course it's a good height because I can't, even though I'm short, I'm not able to reach to the roof. But it's a very nice place, and I'm going to show you around. So what we have here is locally kienyeji, we call it kienyeji chicken, locally bred. We are supposed to be having them go outside to graze on their own, to feed on their own, but right now there's another goat, not another goat, there's another dog. Yes, we have a dog that has gone astray, so the dog is eating the chicken. So when you let them out, they go to the farm, then there's a goat that, not a goat, there's a dog that is feeding on the chicken. So you'll find one missing, or you'll hear one screaming for its life, and that will be that. So here we have different stages of the chicken. We've tried to separate them from the young ones to the huge ones, like the cocks, and we have several compartments. So this is like their main area, and when I say this, I mean this is their main area. This is where they sleep, and this is just locally provided material that we've joined together for them to nest here, or to rest during the night. The structure is well lit because this is just natural light, so it has like good ventilation, good windows, it's high enough, and therefore there's free air like flowing, and then let me see if I can do this. The floor is clean, it's not wet, it's quite clean. We've not even put straws here because we come with a broom and we just sweep the dirt away, so we've not like added any sawdust. And because the room is warm enough at night, we are not worried about the chicken not sleeping on the straws. And then during the night, so let me just show you how everything is and where. In the morning we bring the feeds. We pour the feeds in here. They have already been fed, and I think they're getting fed, I think 3 times in a day because they're not going out. And then we try and put water points for them, like now that they're taking water. And when I talk about sizes, this is what I mean, because there is this size and then almost the stage of layering or laying eggs, and we have the cocks, which are like huge huge cocks. And in terms of compartments, we have this compartment over here, which has, let me see, okay, she thinks that I'm getting him to get her chicks, but this is like 2 weeks old chicks or thereabouts. So we let them like be in one place. We don't mix them with the rest of the big hens, and therefore now this hen will try and feed its chicks from there. And you see, like the light is right. They have a window. There's another compartment or a door going on the other side. So, and then they also have their own water points and feeding area. And then on this other end, we have the laying eggs, and we've also constructed where they can lay their eggs. So this is like a compartment of where they can lay their eggs. And of course, like when they we also have this other compartment where we can keep when they are ready. Oh no, there's a lot of activity going on here. I think there are too many. You can see this chicken is very comfortable in that jiko. It's already. And then there's another compartment over here whereby these are like a month old or thereabout. So they also have their own compartment, so that they don't mix with the big cocks, because when you don't separate them like that, then some of them may be stepped on, they may fight with the cocks, and then you see yourself losing even more. So this is a separation that we have right now. And I think we have about more than 50. And there's another house that has small chicks. And then let me just show you. So here is one of them just resting and I think laying eggs. So the nesting areas and the laying eggs, there are like 6 of them, and then we have these tires that can also be used for the same purpose, and also these boxes when we have like many of them laying at the same time. And that's like a good ventilation. That's a window, and then we have these roads that are readily available in our farm. So the only thing that you need for a chicken house is the nests and maybe the iron sheets. The rest of the wood and anything else can be gotten from the farm. So that's how this is, and this is how you have. So if this is your kind of video, please like and subscribe, and let me know in the comment section what you'd like us to discuss. Is it the feeds? Is it how to get here and where to start from? And until then, see you and bye-bye.